So finally I'm reached day 12 and I'm shooting this video today. Date is 17th February and right now time is 3 o'clock. Today I read a amazing quote that hard time create a strong man create a good time create a weak man, and weak man weak man create a strong time. Weak men get a strong time. Yeah, you most of guys heard that hard. You most of guys heard this quotation so many time, but today I read this quotation when I am scrolling on my Instagram. That time suddenly this quotation come in front of my feed, and I read and I feel very amazing. So let's discuss today's topic. Yeah, today I will also talking about it, the random talking. That is a kind of mirror practice I am practicing in front of my camera, and I don't have a word and didn't prepare any script. Whatever words come in my mind, that I can completely speak. It will help me to improve my fluency. So basically, so basically first so basically first I said that quotation, good time hard time create a strong man create a good time. That is a very amazing quotation, but I think different person have different opinion about that quotation. But in my case it is a realistic, it is a realistic for me. And yes, actually I'm speaking, then words that didn't come in my mind. I'm just try to connect with any ideas and anything. Actually sometimes I'm using a same word when I am expressing my thought. I want to express my vocabulary and word variation like other creator speaking. When I was describing something, object and anything, most of time I'm using a same word that describe that things and emotion. You most of guys notice one thing from my video, most of time using a similar words like think and I am. Today is actually I don't have a word to start this video, that's why, but I'm trying to learn new words from a different section. But please suggest me some ideas, which article should I read to add more variation in my language. Yeah, let's come into second part. Actually I started to learn some books. When I was read this book, my mind is continuously juggling. Sometime I read a line and I didn't understand what they said, and sometime understand maybe the new idiom and phrase new idiom and phrase phrasal verb use that word. Actually today I feel very nervous when I am recording this video. Actually lots of noise are noise actually lots of noise are around me. That's why I feel very nervous to say something. So let's come into a third part. Actually I'm just try to communicate with my camera. I just open my webcam and recording myself, and whatever words come in my, I'm just continually speaking. You most of guys know what's my aim and why I take this challenge. If you don't know, please make sure check out previous video there where I can explain most of thing. If you notice my first video where I couldn't speak anything English, but after a 12-day practice I little bit improve. And yeah, let's come into after the 12-day practice I little bit improve. You most of guys notice in my first video I didn't speak anything, and after that 12-day practice I can little bit fluently express my thought. Let's assume if I practice 360 days to recording my video, the what level My English is rich. It is you heard very unrealistic, but I'm trying to achieve this goal to record 365 days, and let's check what happened at the end of. So without let's end this video. If you like my content, please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel and please suggest me some path. What article should I read to improve my and enhance my level? Thank you for watching this video.